Jamaica's team to the Central American and Caribbean and Youth Chess Festival returned home in high spirits recently after topping the podium with several medalists, including 4 champions.
Team Jamaica won the CAC Youth Chess Championships, finishing ahead of host nation Trinidad and Tobago and neighbors Cuba. Jamaica was helped to the top of the podium by 4 gold medalists across different categories. Candidate Master Jaden Shaw had a perfect score, 9 out of 9, to retain his title in the under-16 absolute category.
Defending my title was a very good achievement, especially doing it perfect, scoring 9 from 9. Going into this event, we prepared very hard, we being me and my coach Joe Peterson. I want to thank everyone that supports me to this journey.
Woman candidate Master Rihanna Brown, who scored 8 points, won the under-18 female category.
It's a pretty good win for me because I've been preparing for this tournament for a long time now. And hopefully I can take this experience and go on to further heights.
Amelia Rose Leake is the under-10 female champion, while Rajveer Shergill is the under-8 absolute champion.
I think I had an amazing competition, coming first in the under-10 category. Last time I got the silver medal, now I came gold. It was a surreal experience.
I played good for most of my games, and I'm glad that I got to play. I feel very good.
Meanwhile, there were other podium finishes for Gabriella Watson, who finished runner-up in the under-16 female category, and Erin McCoy finished second in the under-12 absolute category.
I feel good because since I've come in the top 3, that means I will become a CM elect and I need the ratings to get the title.
Dana Simone Swayze and Leah Logan were second and third respectively in the under-8 female category.
It was challenging, but also not that big of a struggle. I feel proud of myself.
The final game, it was a very difficult game, but I gave it my all and I was able to win. I feel very happy that I was able to place on the podium.
Warren Elliott was a member of the coaching staff.
Well, chess is the fastest growing sport in Jamaica, and it's no surprise that because of that we did so well there. What we hope is that from this we'll continue to grow as a sport in the country, and we'll see more and more champions strive and compete for Jamaica.
Deborah Richards Porter was the head of delegation.
This win is really a testament to the hard work of the students, the unwavering support and dedication of the parents, because trust me, the parents helped out in so many ways. The dedication of the coaches, without the coaches we just could not have done as well as we did. And
the 6-day tournament had over 230 players from 15 different countries across the region. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.